I just want everyone in this room to raise a hand in the air. Every single one of you motherfuckers. No one's too cool for this shit. Leave your hand raised if you've been going through some shit and your mental health has been fucking awful. Now, just the men, keep your hands up. You see that shit? We don't fucking talk about this enough. And that's exactly what Graphic Nature is about. It's about starting the conversation of mental health, especially in men, but not only in men, because everyone goes fucking through it. So I just want to make some noise, and I hope you do for the rest of yourselves, for being so honest with me tonight about your own fucking dealings. So, big fucking love, honestly. This song also goes out to anyone that suffered with drug addiction as I have, and my dad did, and how it could fuck up fucking families. This song is called Into the Dark, and it goes out to Oslo on Dream State's merch.